Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the Saturday edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring some latest WWE news and update including Roman Reigns' dream match planned for 2021. While WWE starts NXT India soon and other more fresh WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to not miss out any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5 is Roman Reigns' dream match planned for 2021. We are slowly getting closer to WWE's biggest pay-per-view of the year is WrestleMania. Now WWE rumors stated that Roman Reigns' backstage status for WrestleMania 37 has been very surprising. One of the top WWE rumors buzzing around for many months has been The Rock make his WWE return and face current Universal Champion Roman Reigns at WrestleMania 37. But WWE latest news rumor suggested that this match might be not happening at WrestleMania 37. WWE's creative team has been told already that The Rock is not available for WrestleMania 37. So maybe The Rock might get in his match against Roman Reigns in 2022. This match decision lies on only hands on The Rock's and when is available and for WWE return and wrestle a match. Here is what WWE update says. According to those very close to the situation, brought up that possibility of doing a match with Reigns versus The Rock in 2021. But that is a long way away and that he is 49 by that time. Obviously, this is up all to him. He wants to this year, tomorrow or next month. He is in, but on the creative side there has been told as he know long ago. Roman Reigns right now enjoys his heel run as a Universal Champion on SmackDown brand. He called himself tribal chief and head of the table of his family. The Rock also comes from the same family. So the storyline is already made this time. Only needs that The Rock availability and then proper WWE booking. But because of some issue preventing it from the happening. The changed location of WrestleMania 37 and WWE also changed the WrestleMania team for this year. While this is a question mark over the fans' availability of for WrestleMania 37. So these are some concerns as Robin Switman dropped his match idea for this year. So we may see The Rock versus Roman Reigns match somewhere in 2021, most probably at WrestleMania 38. Number 4 is WWE starts NXT India soon. Once again, WWE start to think about expanding WWE internationally. WWE's latest update revealed that WWE can start the NXT India program in January 2021. This show could be the broadcast all over the world through WWE networks and linear television in India. Here is what WWE spoiler says. WWE will be launching NXT India program. It's expected to begin taping in the January and to be broadcast digitally via WWE network and on the linear television in India. This is not the first time that WWE decided to expand NXT brand. WWE already started NXT UK from 2018. Even now, the pandemic situation also not stopped WWE to expand their WWE brand internationally. WWE also said to launch another NXT program in Japan. India is a very important place for WWE to expand their business. If we look at the WWE's fans over social media, then there is a 60 to 80% of WWE followers are from India. This is a huge number and WWE do not want to miss this opportunity. In October 2020, WWE reports told that WWE planning to big event in India in 2021. During media calls, all WWE's officials announced that they are looking to expand WWE internationally and top name on the list is India. WWE initially planned to 8 main elimination tournament for India's 2021 event. But we know that every time WWE changed their plans. WWE described this event as NXT India. So we can say that there is a very exciting time coming for WWE and fans, and especially for Indian fans. So wait for the WWE's official announcement about this event. Number 3 is Maryse give update on her in-ring WWE career. Maryse already told that she wants to make his in-ring return in WWE one day. In September 2019, Maryse gave a birth to her and Miz's second child. Since then, she is away from WWE actions. In the recent Q&A session, Maryse addresses her in-ring WWE future. Maryse was asked if she will make WWE return ever. Maryse replied and said that she still has one more WWE run left in her. In the recent interview, Maryse provided more information on possible in-ring return. She clearly said that she will always be a part of WWE family. Either she compete in the WWE ring or not. Here is what Maurice says. I don't think I will be not be with WWE in some capacity. I always come back. Listen, I was back on SmackDown and I just had maybe 5 months postponed and I had match against the Brie Bella on SmackDown. We were the main event. If you would told me that when I guess was pregnant, I would have started laughing. It's really hard to say never. We will see. Maryse won WWE Divas Championship twice in her WWE career between 2006 and 2011. The first time she won Divas title against Michelle McCool on SmackDown episode in 2008. In 2010, she was second time Divas Championship when she defeated Gail Kim on Raw episode. Number 2 is Goldberg talk about his retirement plans. In the recent interview, WWE Hall of Famer Goldberg talked about his WWE retirement plans. Goldberg was signed by WWE until 2023 with the contract of 2 matches per year. Goldberg was asked that if he and his current WWE contract would be the end of his in-ring career. In reply, Goldberg said that he might continue to work even after that, but not for so long. Here is what Goldberg says. We always have to cross that bridge when we come onto it. I am 53 years old. I will be 54 here in couple of weeks. Hey, as long as my body can still do it, I am still going to do it. It was very tough because being a power wrestler at this age, it's not person that I was back in the past. You have that sense of, oh, I am ruining my legacy. Well, you know what? I still have to put food on the table for my family. Goldberg also cleared that he doesn't hang up his boot anytime soon. He also said that he does not see himself to wrestle till at the age of 60. Here is what Goldberg says. There are lots of things that comes into consideration. At the end of the day, I am a businessman. I do what I get to do to stay afloat and stay out of there. I don't see myself hanging it up anytime soon. But then again, I also don't see myself wrestle until I am 60. Recently, Goldberg took a shots on current Universal Champion Roman Reigns. He said that his next target in WWE is Roman Reigns. WWE rumors also said that WWE planning to do Roman Reigns versus Goldberg match at WrestleMania 37. Number 1 is WWE gave Renee Young's project to Boo Dallas. In her podcast, Renee Young talked about how she know about projects that she wasn't given despite there is a being interest from third parties to make partnership with her. Here is what Renee Young says. That stuff is so infuriating. I have had so many people say things like that to me since I have left. Like, we have picked that for you. We wanted you to host the cooking show with the wrestlers. I am like, yeah, not sure. That wrestle would be the great. No, they would not give it to me. They give it to Boo Dallas. I love Boo Dallas. Go get it. Do what you want to get it. But like, I could never catch a break. I couldn't get anything else. I couldn't get podcast off the ground. Give me the fucking podcast. Nobody giving a shit about that. But no, you can't do it. Kitchen SmackDown episode was started in 2018, which is hosted by Boo Dallas. That show not quite kicked off, and only one episode was aired so far. Curtis Axel, Dana Brooke, and Alyssa Fox was the featured in that show. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you will enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment, and press the bell icon for instant video notifications. So see you guys in our next video.